What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be going over something that you can do to help you with your trading. This is something that I used to use. It's not something I do so much anymore, and it's not because it doesn't work. It's because I have my own set of rules that I like to follow when I trade binary options, just to keep things simple for myself. I keep it simple and I trade pretty much the same way every session that I trade. So I don't mix it up, and personally I don't actually use this anymore. However, this is definitely something you can use, and it's definitely something that can work well. So this is a parabolic SAR strategy, and if you've watched any of our previous videos, you'll know that we do not solely rely on indicators. We use indicators to assist us in trading decisions, but we only enter the market due to price action. Price action will show me something that makes me want to enter the market. So I'm actually going to go with a new option here, and I'm going to sell this market right over here, and I'll explain why while we're busy with this video. So all we're doing is putting on a parabolic SAR. This trade came in the money. So let me explain. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put on a parabolic SAR. Let's take this off just so I can show you how I do that. We're going to go to parabolic SAR, and we're going to use the standard settings. We're not going to get fancy here. We're going to use the standard settings for this. So basically all that we're going to be doing is allowing the parabolic SAR to assist us in deciding on a trading direction. Now, when the parabolic SAR is on top, when you see these dots on the top, we're primarily looking for sell options. We're not only looking for sell options, because as you remember, okay, that's another profit right there. So we've got two profits. I'm not going to trade anymore. I've actually had two entries there that I can perfectly explain how we would trade both conditions, a buy and a sell. So if the parabolic SAR is on top, usually you would think that you're only looking for sells, but that's not always the case. We're looking for sells when price pulls back and we can sell. However, we're looking for potential buy opportunities when price has extended to an extreme. So when price has really moved far away from the parabolic SAR, we're looking for potential buy setups. So like I said before, if you've watched any of our other videos, you'll know that we do not only trade indicators. We use indicators to assist us in a trading decision. However, we actually only make a trading decision when price action is in our favor. So what we're doing is we're basically looking for very basic support and resistance levels, and then we're using that to enter the market. Along with the movement of price. That's not something that you can really just know that quick. That's something that takes a bit of time to learn. Understand how price moves around certain levels to help you in a trading decision. So basically this is what we're doing. I'm going to explain in terms of the way we just entered the market in two different situations over here, both of them which were profits. I'm not going to go back and do the back testing, because as we know, that does not really work. Back testing is rubbish. You've kind of got to see the current market situation and understand how you would trade it from there. So as you know, we took a buy position over here which profited, a 1 minute buy position, and we took a 1 minute sell position over here which also profited. So basically this is what we're looking for. Price extended to an extreme past the parabolic SAR. Okay, we had extreme pushes to the downside. We then had a very strong support which price reached and started to move away from. That was my signal that price may be pulling back. Doesn't mean that price is going to go all the way up. That's why we take a very short trade. It's a 1 minute trade. So we saw price moving back a little bit. 1 minute trade in the direction. The price action is showing us we've got two rules here: price action, support. So we had price action around a support level, and then we also had the parabolic SAR on the top, with price having quite a big overextension. Okay, so that's why we entered a buy, and as you can see, it paid off. It's not to say that it's going to work every single time. There will be losses, as you know, But this can yield some pretty good results if you practice and if you trade this regularly enough. So basically the second entry that we took, which was a sell, price then moved back towards the parabolic SAR, meaning that we could potentially see further decline. And what happened? Price moved up and reached this previous level of support, now turned into resistance. This candle was showing some rejection. That's why we entered a 1 minute trade in the seller's direction, and that paid off. So it's pretty simple. Basically what we're doing, if for the example, this works both ways, if the parabolic SAR's on the bottom or the top, but in this example it was on the top. We're looking for potential buy setups off of price action when price has pushed very far away from the parabolic SAR, and we're looking for a movement back towards them. And then when price has moved back towards the parabolic SAR, we're looking for certain price action to happen in order for us to continue in the direction that the parabolic SAR is telling us we want to go in. So I hope that video helped. If it did, leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and subscribe to the channel for daily binary options content. If you are interested in learning how to trade binary options properly, do consider checking out our Viper binary strategy. It is the real way to trade binary options, and it is highly effective. If you're interested in this, go check us out, www.traderoomsessions.com. All the information you need is on the website.